Do you want to earn money online and don't know where to start? You are at right place. You only need a computer or smartphone with internet connectivity. I'm going to show you 4 websites in this video where you can actually start earning some extra money, or, if you're serious, some nice money. Isn't that incredible? At the end of video I will also share as a bonus extra website to earn money. Don't forget to watch the video till end. The best part is that you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job to get this money. You can work on these websites in your spare time. In general, there are 2 methods of making money online. The first method is active income. With active income, it is like a normal 9-to-5 job. You get money paid for the work you do. The second method is passive income. This is my favorable choice since, with passive income, all you have to do is put in the first effort, and the money should theoretically continue to flow without any further work on your part other than perhaps promoting what you have created. So let's start the video. 1. Upworks.com. A freelancer's website called Upworks exists. You can generate an active income with Upwork. There are many jobs and services being outsourced on Upworks, including article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. The simplicity of it all, you just need to be good at something. Go to Upworks and start earning money if there is something you are good at, such as graphic design, coding, or just about any other ability. Have a strong profile that looks nice if you're thinking about working on Upworks. It will increase your chance of getting work. Showcasing your best work or highlighting specific experience will help you stand out. 2. YouTube. Few people are aware of the fact that you may generate money via YouTube. Make sure you understand one thing completely if you're thinking about using YouTube to make money. Due to the new regulations, if you want to monetize your newly created channel, you must first exceed the minimum threshold set by YouTube, which means you'll require 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours during the last 12 months. Amount of money you can make from YouTube is huge. You will be successful as long as you continue to upload engaging content that viewers will watch, and the longer the video, the more money you may anticipate making. YouTube also offers paid sponsorship opportunities, but in order to take advantage of them, you'll need a sizable following, typically at least 10,000 subscribers. You can also make money through affiliates, but we will get to that later. 3. Amazon. Amazon used to sell books, but it now offers practically any product you can imagine. However, Amazon is more than just a store where you can buy your favorite toys, you can use it to generate income. And here are 2 ways to. The first method is Kindle publishing on Amazon.com. Create an ebook with your ideas and start earning money immediately. When you purchase an ebook from Amazon, both Amazon and the publisher profit, and you can as well. With Kindle publication, there is a problem. You need a book to sell first. Either you or a professional author who you hire can write this book for you. You don't need to find a publishing house or be a well-known author to do this. You can begin doing this from the convenience of your home and begin making passive income. Sounds great, right? The best part is that it is completely free, so register today and start earning money. Amazon takes care of the money handling, and you can sit back and relax while making passive income. I strongly advise you to learn more about Kindle publishing if you are truly interested in it. On YouTube, you may find free tutorials and videos that will teach you the fundamentals. You might need to pay for a course first if you want professional help. It's definitely a market worth researching. The Amazon Affiliates program is the second option. This is a well-liked and simple method of generating passive income. All you have to do is register for the free Amazon Affiliates program, after which you can choose from thousands of products that Amazon sells on their website and begin marketing them. You will be given a unique link from Amazon, and whenever someone makes a purchase using your link, Amazon will pay you a commission of between 5 and 10% of the total sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days following a transaction, and you can select to be paid via Amazon gift cards, wire transfer to a bank account. 4. Fiverr. Due to the site's simplicity and ease of use for beginning to make money, you have probably heard the name Fiverr discussed frequently. However, if you haven't, it's essentially a freelance website where you can absolutely outsource anything, and I mean anything, for as low as $5, as long as it's legal. Just to name a few, there are several ways to make money on Fiverr. You can create animations, logos, packaging designs, websites and mobile applications, social media, Photoshop edits, floor plans and architecture, 3D models and product design, t-shirt designs and merchandise, SEO, and much more. You can probably discover everything that can be outsourced on Fiverr.com. Now for bonus website. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is essentially a marketplace where you can purchase or sell digital media, like images, audio, and video snippets. Primarily produced by independent contractors and other parties, therefore if you are really talented at photography, take stunning photos and movies. Or if you're really excellent at producing sick beats, you can make money on Shutterstock. Every time someone buys one of your photos from Shutterstock, you get paid a commission, from a few cents to a few dollars, if you're lucky. With that said, I want to thank you all for watching, ask that you enable notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.